Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Oceania Suite experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful brand new Oceania Vista. This incredible suite is one of the Oceania Suites, but it's not just any of the Oceania Suites, it's one of the two in the aft of the ship, which happens to be my personal favorite. Now I'll take you through the space in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this exquisite suite or book any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the suite experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an incredible relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now keep in mind with an upgraded premium suite like this, you're going to get an enormous amount of inclusions, and your Harr Travel advisor is going to guide you through the process to make sure you get the very most value for your money. You'll find that you have early access to the priority reservations. You'll also have early access to embark and disembark the ship, and even early access to this incredible suite. Now on board, you're going to have incredible butler service. They go out of their way to really make the experience perfect for you. Whether it's drawing a bubble bath, booking your reservations around the ship, they can even pack and unpack for you and handle shoreside reservations. They're really here to elevate the experience, and you're going to find that you absolutely love it as much as our guests do. Now in the suite, they can take care of in-suite dining, actually right here at your dining room table. You can have every one of your meals course by course served here. Not just the grand dining room, you can also take advantage of the exquisite specialty restaurants on board. Now the finest cuisine at sea is more than just a tagline. Oceania is dedicated to the quality of the food, of course the gourmet offerings, and whether it's one of the specialty restaurants or you're heading back to enjoy a buffet style meal, it's all going to be delicious and of course prepared fresh for you. Now let's tour this incredible suite. When you walk in the door, immediately to the side here, you're going to find the second bathroom. Now as we step inside, you'll find that you have a nice large vanity here. You're also going to have the sink and storage underneath, and you get the first glimpse of your Bulgari bath amenities. Now just across, you have a unique feature here with the media room. So you'll find that you have a nice sofa that does fold out to have additional bedding. There's curtains that'll pull shut all the way around. So this truly is a second bedroom. Or of course, if you just want to watch the big game or one of your favorite movies, you can take advantage of the movies on demand, a wide variety of television channels, and you can also see what's going on throughout the ship. They've added speakers up in the ceiling so you have that great surround sound experience. Now as we step out and into your living room, you see the space really opens up. You've got a writing desk tucked around the corner, and this truly is a high-tech ship. You can actually control from right by the door your temperature. You also can access the do not disturb makeup room button to communicate with your butler and your room steward. Here you can also connect to the infotainment system so that you can control everything in the suite from your device. Now you're going to have some complimentary Wi-Fi inclusions as part of your suite, and then once again you've got all kinds of plugs around the suite, 2 US plugs, a European plug, 2 USBs, and 2 USB-Cs. Now the living room space has a nice large sofa, a reading chair tucked in the corner. Of course, you're always going to have bubbly on ice upon your arrival. And then you have a large flat panel TV, also fully interactive. You can take advantage of those movies on demand. And they've added the speaker system in here too, and they're highly upgraded. Now as we continue through, you're going to find your full butler's pantry here. You've got a mini fridge underneath. Now keep in mind that Oceania always includes sodas, water. You see the Vero water here. They'll replenish it as often as you like, still or sparkling. They also provide complimentary water bottles. You can refill them around the ship, or you can take them off to an amazing excursion or take them home with you. In addition to that, you're going to have specialty coffees and teas. Now personally, I love the Ely Baristas bar up top. Of course, you can have a standing coffee order where your butler delivers your coffee right here, so you can have it out on your veranda. Now you've got all your cutlery, stemware, and glassware, and a little bit of storage underneath. You're also going to have a full-size liquor amenity because you're in one of the top suites. Now I already mentioned the full dining room table. You'll have that wonderful course-by-course meal served right here. Of course, they're greeting you with some wonderful fruit. You'll have delicious canapes delivered throughout your cruise as well. Now from here, you get stunning aft-facing views. That's why I love this particular version of the Oceania Suite. Don't get me wrong, they're all absolutely wonderful. But those of you who know me know that I love the aft of the ship, and I'll take you out there in just a minute, but let's head around to the bedroom first. Now as we step into the bedroom, you do have a door that will pull shut. I love that you have that for privacy, but also if somebody's sleeping in, taking a nap, you don't have to disturb your partner. Now you'll find that you have a full king-size bed here. It's got the highly upgraded Tranquility mattress, linens, and pillows. You're gonna really love the night's sleep that you get. You've got directional reading lamps up above so you don't disturb your partner. You'll also have side tables on either side. I really appreciate that you have ability to tuck things away completely because this ship does some shorter 7-day cruises all the way up to some amazing grand voyages that our guests absolutely love. Now keep in mind, if you're interested in any of those and if you're interested in any of the top suites, you're gonna wanna reach out to Harr Travel to get on our upcoming deployment list because the suites go really quick. In some cases, they can go within minutes of release. Now on either side of the bed, you're also gonna have a US plug, a USB, and a USB-C. You've got all the lighting controls, but keep in mind, you can also control those from your own personal device. You have another flat panel TV, that's 3 here in the suite, and then tucked in the corner, you're gonna have your vanity. You've got a stool here, they'll have the hairdryer just inside. You've got a backlit magnifying mirror and another large backlit mirror to get ready. Now, as you step inside of the bathroom, we're first gonna take you to the large closets. Once again, residential style. You've got a full laptop size safe. You've got a golf umbrella that you can utilize throughout your cruise. You're also gonna have 2 different types of highly upgraded bathrobes and slippers. You've got the drawers down below. Now, keep in mind your butler can pack and unpack for you. You can also take those robes up to the beautiful Aquamar Spa Terrace. This is an inclusion with your suite. It's absolutely stunning, and we've got it in the full ship tour for you to check out. You're also gonna have some complimentary laundry amenities in addition to complimentary shoe shining and pressing. Now you have storage all along the side here. As I open this up, you're gonna find that you have drawers down below, drawers up above and above as well. You'll find the cashmere throw, and then all along the wall here, you'll have an enormous amount of hanging storage. There's a floor to ceiling mirror here in the dressing room to get ready, and now we're gonna step through into the bathroom proper. You've got a large soaking tub, even I can fit in there. Your butler can draw a bubble bath for you as you head back from one of the exquisite excursions around the world. Today you're in Rome, maybe we're checking out the Vatican, the Colosseum, or an incredible food tour. You can have a soak, a glass of champagne before you head out and enjoy this beautiful vessel. Now you've got a split vanity here, very large space. You've got marble on top of each. You're gonna find a drawer down below for storage, those highly upgraded Acqua di Parma and Bulgari bath amenities. They also have a variety of bath salts that you can utilize. Now tucked just behind here, you're gonna have the water closet. I love that they do have a bidet, and I love that the door shuts completely. And now we're gonna step into the large shower. Now as I step inside, you've got a rainfall shower head up above. You've got your adjustable shower wand. You'll also have the full bench seat here. And then tucked just behind you have a large window where you can take advantage of those beautiful side-facing views. Of course, you do have the privacy curtain as well when you're in port. Now as we head out to your private veranda, you can see 2 chairs and a table here. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful ever-changing ocean views. Those of you who know me know my favorite spot on any ship is the aft of the ship. There's just something magical about the wake kicking up in the distance as you sail away from distant ports, makes my blood pressure go down, my smile get big, and know that I'm back in my home away from home. Now, one of the great features of this particular suite is in addition to the aft-facing views, we go around the side and you'll see you have a large side-facing terrace as well. You've got 2 large loungers in the corner. They're upgraded with those thick pads and also the terry cloth covers. You're gonna have cocktail tables next to each, and then a full dining room table. Once again, you can have every single one of your meals right here, served course by course. You can have it inside. You can also invite friends and family over. Now, we do a lot of groups at Harr Travel, and we do a wonderful job with Oceania. They're an amazing partner, but keep in mind, if you're looking for those top suites, they do sell quick, so you're gonna wanna get on that upcoming deployment list. Now, when you're ready to make this incredible space your home from away from home, or book any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an amazing relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.